In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan a vacation in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Gemini to build a complete, practical trip plan for you without any hassle. With the app open, click into the message box at the bottom. We're going to write a single, clear prompt that tells Gemini exactly what you need. Type this in, just like you would talk to a helpful travel planner. Plan a complete one-week vacation to Rome, Italy. Include a day-by-day itinerary, estimated budget, must-visit landmarks, like the Colosseum, Vatican, and Trevi Fountain, food recommendations, and travel tips. Keep it well-organized, practical, and easy to follow. That prompt works because it's specific, time-bound, and outcome-focused. You're asking for a full week, a daily breakdown, money guidance, key sites, what to eat, and actionable tips, all in a clear, organized format. If you already know your travel dates, travel style, or budget range, feel free to add them right in the same prompt. For example, mention whether you prefer a relaxed pace or packed days if you're traveling with kids or if you need walking light options. You can also note dietary preferences, like vegetarian-friendly spots, and any must-do experiences you don't want to miss. The more context you add in that single message, the more tailored and useful your itinerary will be. If you want the plan to consider logistics, add details like your approximate daily budget, whether you'll rely on public transportation, and any museum or site priorities. You can also ask Gemini to group activities by neighborhood to cut down on travel time, suggest reservations you might need, and flag the best times to visit popular landmarks to avoid crowds. Once your prompt looks good, press Enter. Gemini will start generating your trip plan right away. Give it a moment to compile the day-by-day itinerary, budget estimates, landmark highlights, food recommendations, and practical advice. You should see a structured answer with clear sections and suggestions you can follow in order. If anything needs fine-tuning, simply add a follow-up message in the same chat. You can ask for a lighter schedule on certain days, swap in different attractions, adjust the budget, or add restaurant types you prefer. Because your original prompt was well-structured, small adjustments are quick and accurate. That's it. By typing a strong, detailed prompt and sending it, you'll get a ready-to-use, organized Rome vacation plan from Gemini in just a few moments. Use this same approach for any destination, and you'll save time while getting a trip that fits your style and budget.